We got to get things started here. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like to introduce Mr. Grefe.
Be seated. I want everybody, I'm going to give a presentation. I want everybody to remain seated and quiet, please. Put away any noise-making device, please. We'll get to Gab. He decided to give Ed a starring role in these biopics. Coming soon to a multiplex near you, Poster 1, City Slickers 2, a true boy with no knowledge of rural life, discovers that just outside the Beltway there is this place called the USA. From breaking horses to breaking hearts, Ed Grefe steals the movie in this debut performance. Poster 2, Snakes in a Lake. You won't stop laughing at this naive city slicker. Who goes to a remote lake in the southern U.S., staying at a friend's cabin for a week to write and reflect. But he is afraid to go into the water because...
Sorry I can't be there today. I just want to thank you, Liz, in all seriousness, for incredible hospitality and love and companionship over the last 5 years of me coming to Washington. I don't have a date for when I'm next coming to Washington.
And what can I say? Life is more fun than I could ever imagine. Thank you.
Crazy looking outfit on. We got an airplane running over there ready for us to get on. So you ready to go skydiving? You're petrified. Oh, me too. So it'll be all right.